HSI Motivational Perfume. Ang kanilang version ng YSL Myself. Ito ang bibigyan natin ng review for this video. Okay, so si HSI perfume is less than 300 pesos sa ating TikTok shop. And as you can see, presentation-wise, napag-usapan natin siya before. This is their rectangular bottle. May branding lang sa harapan. And then what I really like about their bottles is merong branding and kung ano yung perfume na ginagaya nila sa gilid. So if you stack this up with the other perfumes that you have from HSI, madaling mo makikita kung ano yung perfume na dudukutin mo from your cabinet or from your closet. Okay. Now, in terms of the perfume, okay, pagka in-spray mo siyang ganyan, ang unang maamoy mo sa kanya is yung bergamot at saka yung ambroxan niya. Ambrofix, I think, yun ang tawag mo sa notes ng Fragrantica. Ang sarap ng kanyang amoy. Para siyang sweet, citrusy, may konting sweetness, may konting freshness na amoy mo dito sa opening nito ni HSI perfume na hawak natin ngayon. And the good thing about this is from opening up until the time na medyo skint scent na siya, ganun pa rin consistent yung amoy niya all throughout. So, ganda. This is something that I really liked about this perfume kasi hindi siya nagbabago all throughout. The opening pa lang, which is something na gustong-gusto natin. And in terms of complement factor, this is something that my wife really likes and also my daughter. Okay? Nakakatawa dyan kasi nga it's very rare that my wife and my daughter would like the scent of the perfume. So, yeah. Nakakatawa lang. Out of all the perfumes na ginamit ko with them, ito lang yung nagustuhan nila. Okay? So, in terms of the performance naman, grabe to. For a bottle that is less than 300 pesos for a 60 ml bottle, I'd say grabe yung performance. I wore this at around 3 o'clock in the afternoon and ngayon medyo alauna na ng madaling araw. Naamoy ko pa rin siya sa balat ko. Okay? Ganun siya katindi. And lalo na sa clothes ko, naamoy ko pa rin talaga siya. I think this is the only perfume that I got from HSI na tumagal siya. I'm not sure why. Might be the concentration or the ingredients that they use for this one, but grabe, tumatagal talaga siya. Now, projection-wise, siguro mga 2 to 3 feet. Ayan. Naamoy ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Same with the silage. And the good thing is, magkakaroon ka ng scent bubble habang naglalakad ka. Naamoy mo yung sarili mo. Okay? So, ayan. Events or places that you can use this perfume. Ito yung mga tipong perfume na pwede mong i-blind reach. Okay? Say blind reach, kung wala ka na maisip na pwedeng gamitin na perfume, ito na lang. Duputin mo na lang from your cabinet and use it. It's very versatile. You can use it during daytime, nighttime, dates, with your special someone. You go to the office, you go to the beach, you go to the gym. This is something that I can definitely recommend for you. Not that much for formal events. There are better perfumes that you can use for those, but for those occasions na wala ka talaga may isip, ito yan. Ito yung pwede mong gamitin perfume. Okay? So, in terms of the scent profile, I'd probably rate this 8.5 out of 10. And performance, grabe. I'd probably give it a 9.5 out of 10. Just because ang tagal talaga ng kanyang staying power sa balat and same as with the clothes. Okay? So, yun lang. If you have any questions or any suggestions on perfumes that you'd like for me to review, please leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to reply to your comments. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye!